Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a 64GB memory card into your camera, which is the Sony Cybershot DSC W350 14.1 megapixels. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the camera and the 64GB memory card itself. So we're going to bring that into the frame and then go to the camera, turn on the camera. For the moment, it will say there is no memory card. Turn the camera off. Take the memory card itself. See the way the card needs to be inserted. Insert. Close the cap, turn the camera on. And now it says we have 8,264 photos to take in terms of video recording. Available 747 minutes. Turn the camera off. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.